Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Kesorkar Pedeng Ubadekmi Ekatanat Ports, Shipping and Waterways and Ayush Usarbananda Sonawal mentakala asni ublay ka khatsantrik ubanay jemang arajar arpulai ula play pa iba ikin riw teliki yang mala ka North Eastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy kum shibanta jong ka project 2 jong ka tega jaka pulia panang penne ya ka tega jaka Barkasong pisa belamang na kabantaban siya ya ketika yang mala kalong henrio po pan iwe henrio klur tingkatam. Ha ketika singi Dr. Maisel Amprin dingdo kalalong kum kesembut kongsan abri ke Menteri Kesorkar Jylla beri kami Ikatanat Health and Family Welfare uba AL Heg ubade Menteri ke Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Kesorkar Jylla Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla ubade Vice Chancellor Kanehu ka Professor Nalin Mehta ke Director Jongkanigrams Barka Dr. Nita Maheshkar ke Director Kaniya bat kiwe-kiwe. Haba ajeng kran ha kate kesngi te menteri ulaong bakalong ke jingkemen ke bakraw malala ban pli kite hinriu tri ki yang mala ha shalong menta kesngi ulaong bagani ke jingte kite ki yang mala kan penhe ke jaka pulia bat kabala ban kintiu kham shadrong ya ke Pyndonkam bat kabala ban kintiu kham shadrong ya ke Pyndonkam I ki Dawai Kynbat apo ka than. Haba kran halor ke benta jong ki Jylla Shatei Lammihngi kari Hak bayade biki Dawai Kynbat usuna wal loong biki Jylla Shatei Lammihngi kari kidi ki Jylla ki bala Shah Kyrkhu da kamay Mariang hak ba kamay Mariang kalayarap ingi ban penkhia na ki jingpang ha ki pateng ki babuan kiti kinriu tri ki mala balate ki kanthop ya ka jaka sa jo ki khna shenrang kabarung kumba shispa saungut ki khna ka jaka sa jo ki kanthai kabarung hadu shispa sau ngut ki khna pra units jong ka type 3 quarter Real units joka type 4A quarter, Hinyo units joka type 4B kam directors residence, kajaka sa jong bala he rata kabadan arpusan unit, bat kajaka sa brio kabadan khat khandai tli ki kamra bat art li ki suite.
Kindly give a round of applause. Honorable Minister, we are grateful for your presence here. NEI is currently training, I'm told, about 600 students from across India. This is indeed a great honor for us. Europe nations, particularly Germany, Austria and Switzerland, have done a great deal to popularize homeopathy as a mainstream healthcare delivery system. I am sure with the setting up of the NEI, you are well on way to streamlining and strengthening Ayush system in our country. By doing so, we will multiply in many ways in the national healthcare system. On behalf of the Honorable Chief Minister of Government of Meghalaya and on behalf of the people of the state of Meghalaya, we thank you once again for this great opportunity. We wish this institution well and hope that it will grow in years to come.
In India, Northeast is the most important priority zone for the speedy growth and development for our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. In the last 9 years, he has devoted his best of his time and energy, wisdom, knowledge by adopting many important project, policy program for the speedy growth of the entire northeastern region. Be it infrastructure, connectivity, communication, other institutional growth, in all sectors, the quality human resource, the quality production, and quality of life promotion. In every sector, you have all noticed that how Honorable Prime Minister has given his heart to the people of Northeast. This is his love and affection. with best of his sincerity and honesty, with full of dedication and devotion. So that is why this NIA expansion project is coming up. Not only in Meghalaya, but in all the 8 states of Northeast. I, being the Northeasterner, I feel so connected, so motivated when Honorable Prime Minister says, this desh ka talasmi hai. Most resourceful region of the country is Northeast India. So this reflects his sincere love and affection and also his vision for our growth. And he has also given us the responsibility to play the role of an engine. Any का मतलब सिर्फ नॉर्थ ईस्ट नहीं, न्यू इंजन फॉर इंडिया's growth. So in this next phase of our journey towards 2047, when India is going to complete its 100 years of independence, and he has termed this as Amrit Kal, this golden period for Indian 142 crores plus Indian society to become Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-reliant India by 2047. In this journey, the people of Northeast will have to contribute a lot as an engine. That's the responsibility we'll have to soldier with ability, wisdom, knowledge, power and skill. So this is a golden opportunity for all the students living, studying here, and I believe this particular line should be very deeply realized by each and every Northeasterner. आज देश को दुनिया की सबसे बेहतर, मजबूत, सर्वश्रेष्ठ राष्ट्र के हिसाब से परम आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने देशवासियों को निर्माण करने के लिए उन्होंने आग्रह किए. He is putting his sincere appeal to all the citizens of the country. Please stick to your responsibility and commitment so that this resourceful nation can become the most powerful nation of the world. Cost effective and accessible for the prevention of disease and preservation and promotion of health. This is the power exists in traditional system of medicine. So that is why this NIA is coming up. And in the state of Meghalaya, full of natural resources. You know that about the background of Ceylon. Once it was regarded to be the Scotland of the East. Scotland of the East, such a beautiful place in the world, Ceylon. आप सौभाग्यशाली हैं, आपको यहाँ पढ़ने के लिए मौका मिला है.
Today is a great day for the people of Meghalaya because we have inaugurated the phase 2 capacity expansion project here and with 6 blocks, and which will give more accommodation to our student friends and also to the visitors, and also for our research activity to be enhanced. And I believe this is the vision of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. Because of his active support and kindness, now Northeast is growing faster. Every state of Northeast, whether it is Sikkim, whether it is Meghalaya, whether it is Tripura, whether it is Mizoram, whether it is Manipur, whether it is Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Assam, all the 8 states equally growing in all the subject, in all the sector, in the sector of medicine, in the sector of institution, in the sector of agriculture, in the sector of infrastructure, in the sector of industry, in the sector of self-employment. So I believe this is the golden opportunity Honorable Prime Minister has provided to people of Northeast, which was never before. In the last 9 years, this growth has become so visible, so distinctive. Now everyone is very much encouraged out of seeing this particular development, and they have got tremendous faith, and they have got tremendous faith and confidence in Honorable Prime Minister leadership. That is why I believe this kind of institution coming up. In the near future, we have many more like project in the Northeast to come, and we have already decided 39 integrated hospital to be set up in across the northern region. And also, thousands of health and wellness center will come up, and different 10-bedded, 30-bedded, and 50-bedded as per the proposal sent by the respective state government will set up this hospital. And also research and education. As you know, in the recent past, we had an agreement, particularly MOU with Indian Council of Medical Research, ICMR, with AYUS. That means for the education and research purpose and for the development, we are working together, both modern medicine and traditional medicine. And this is under the direction of Honorable Prime Minister, both the ministries joining hand to each other, Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Minister of AYUS. Now that is why I believe in many centers you have seen integrative like system of medicine have come up right from Safdarjung, AIMS, Delhi, and in all other AIMS across the country, and also district hospital, primary hospital in all the sectors. This is going to come to make both AIMS across the country, and also district hospital, primary hospital in all the sectors. This is going to come to make both the system available for the people to take the access of this kind of cost-effective, affordable treatment. Definitely, we are always encouraging, because the entire Northeast being the hotspot of biodiversity, we have got enormous medicinal value plants. This is to be detected. That is why we are setting up research cells, research centers, so that our researchers will do research and about the available ingredient of the medicinal value. Accordingly, the evidence will be developed. On that basis, this particular system will prosper.